Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to modify or delete an existing purchase voucher. By default, the Modify button is disabled, but to enable it, you need to press Alt plus Insert together. Only then will the Modify option become active. When you click on Modify, a search window appears where you can filter and search vouchers by date. Select the voucher you want to modify or delete, and it will open in Modify mode. You can make the necessary edits and save the voucher again. If you wish to delete the voucher, a delete option is available at the bottom. Clicking it will prompt a confirmation message, and once confirmed, the voucher will be permanently deleted.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.